Hi guys, and welcome to the workshop. So today we're going to be making a rack or something, a shelf, I don't know what, to hold these clamps on. They've been hanging over my spindle moulder, getting in the way, so I've decided to do something with them. Let's just adjust this. Don't know what angle that is. 119 down. Oh, and then from this side. So it'll just spread out. That's going to go on there like that. 110 is there. Okay. Hey, so now they're done. There we go. 2 shelves for clamps made. Let's go and hang them on the wall. Okay, so it's time to fit the first clamp rack. Let's load the clamps onto it. Yeah.
Where are they kept?
By the stairs, so take those for now. So there we go. Clamp rack is up. Second clamp rack's up underneath the first one, and I've just slotted them in between the extension pieces on here. I can still get to them all. If I want one of these, they come off easy, go back easy. If I want one of the ones on the lower, they also come off easy. They go back on easy. Much better than having a rack somewhere else. Saves a lot of space saved there. Really happy. Don't forget, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, don't give it a thumbs down, just move on. If you're a subscriber, thanks very much for your support. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing because it helps me out a lot. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to welcoming you back to the workshop soon. That'll do.